respond to Sneezing Baby Panda.
First we have Monkita, age 4.
I'm Monkita. Hee hee hee. Next up, we have Buttercup, age 12.
Hi, I'm Buttercup. I have no clue what I'm doing, so let's just get whatever we're doing over with.
What? This is boring.
Oh, what the? That's kind of cute, but I've seen it before. Next up is Rosie, also age 12, twin of Buttercup.
Hi, I'm Rosie. I think I'm the sweet one out of me and Buttercup. Buttercup kind of just holds a grudge. Oh, cute baby panda. Oh my god! Oh, that startled me. Oh god! Next up, we have Aqua, age 6.
Hi.
Baby.
Hi. Aw, pandas. Oh, look at the baby. Whoa! Whoa! Take out my tentacles in a twist. Next up is Lily, age 13. Lily.
Oh my god, leave me alone. I'm not done with my makeup yet. Why won't you just leave me alone? Ugh. Stupid pandas. Really? Every animal sneezes. Is that the whole thing? Every animal sneezes. It's so stupid. So cheesy. You brought me in here for this, and you made me do my makeup earlier just for a stupid panda that sneezes.
The end!